Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This video is all about the unboxing experience of a GoPro Hero 10 with some extra accessories. You will see some pictures and some short videos made with this action camera. Let's open it up. This action camera comes in a GoPro black carrying case. In the box, we got a subscription voucher for GoPro, one manual with important product and safety instruction in a wide variety of languages, a startup instruction with 3 GoPro stickers. We can find inside of the carrying case one mounting buckle, one thumb screw, one curved adhesive mount, a USB-C cable, and of course one genuine GoPro rechargeable battery that has 1220 milliamperes. The GoPro Hero 10 action camera has 2 displays, one on the front, which is also a touchscreen one, and a back normal one, which will help you for the selfie mode. It has built-in the new GP2 processor, making this specific model one of the most powerful GoPro ever made. Unreal 5.3K 60 FPS plus 4K 120 video resolution, and also a 23 megapixel camera that will help you to make the photos. Advanced Hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization. It is waterproof to 33 feet. It can automatically upload footage to the cloud when you're charging. I got one Lixar 1066X micro SD XC model with reading speeds up to 160 megabytes per second and the writing speeds up to 70 megabytes per second. This micro SD XC card is the perfect choice for the GoPro action cameras. To keep the camera away from scratches, I choose a cheap orange silicone case. On the side, by opening a little lid door, we can find where the GoPro battery and micro SD card fits in. However, the Type-C USB connection can be found here as well. From the main view of shooting, you can adjust most of the settings with just a simple touch on the screen. Whenever you power on, off, record or take a photo, the GoPro will warn you with a beep sound. You can set up your shooting quality or mode preferences easily. This video has been made in standard mode of 2.7K and 240 frames per second. And this one has been made in 4K and 24 frames per second. As you can see, the secondary display will help you to achieve the selfie mode easily. Here are some examples of photos shooted with its 23 megapixel camera in daylight. Moving forward, another advantage of this adventure camera is the GoPro Quik app, which can be found on the App Store or in Google Play. You just need to install it to connect your camera via Bluetooth, so you can use your smartphone as a remote for it. However, this app shows you in real time the video and the photos made by it straight on your smartphone device, so you can browse, edit, save and transfer them as you wish. You can use your device within this app to have a live recording of the GoPro camera as well. It has also a nice edit software built-in. This is the end of the video. I hope you really like it, so don't forget to support us by donating a coffee. The donation link is down below the description. See ya next time.